Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset a Honeywell thermostat. First, turn off your HVAC system by switching the thermostat to the off mode to prevent it from running during reset. Then, remove the thermostat faceplate gently from the wall base if it's model that detaches easily. Next, take out the battery from the unit and wait for a few seconds before reinserting them. Insert the batteries in reverse polarity, opposite directions for 5 to 10 seconds to trigger a reset. Then remove the batteries again and put them back in the correct polarity to complete the reset process. Reattach the faceplate securely back onto the wall mount and make sure it clicks into place. Now, turn the system back on and set it to your desired mode and temperature to resume operation. Test the system by adjusting the temperature and check if the heating or cooling activates correctly. Refer to specific Honeywell model manual if this step don't apply or the reset didn't work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.